Alexa, I love you.
That's nice of you to say.
Can you tell me about the meaning of love? Alexa, can you tell me about the meaning of love?
As a noun, love is usually defined as a profoundly tender, passionate affection for another person. As a verb, love is usually defined as to have love or affection for. For more,
Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to tell you the uses of Amazon Alexa. I'm going to ask to Alexa few questions, few funny questions. This video will be very fun, so don't skip anywhere while you will watch this video. The video watch length is around 10 minutes. This video going to be very fun, so don't skip anywhere. I will show you the app name. You can make smart home by using the Amazon Alexa app. I will show you the interface of this Amazon Alexa app. Today I will ask around 25 funny questions to Alexa to know the performance of the Amazon Alexa and how it's going to be give the answer to my question. Let's get started without wasting your time. Before going to see the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the more notifications in case if I upload any video in the YouTube. Thank you. Alexa, do you have a boyfriend?
I'm happily single.
Alexa, do you believe in love at first sight?
I think you can feel an instant connection, but it takes time to be sure.
Alexa, I am your father.
No! That's not true. That's impossible.
Alexa, I have fallen and I can't get up. What should I do?
I'm sorry, I can't help. If you need help, call your local emergency services number from a mobile or landline phone.
Okay, thank you so much, Alexa. Alexa, why you are so serious? Alexa, why you are so serious?
I like to be useful, but I can have fun too.
Alexa, can you bark? Alexa, how can I laugh?
According to WikiHow, if you are finding it difficult to laugh, try forcing out a few chuckles when you are alone at your house or in the car. Start by saying ha 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 in different voices to see if it causes you to laugh naturally. To laugh even more, watch funny YouTube videos, read books by comedians, and spend time around people with a sense of humor similar to yours. If you're still having trouble laughing, try joining a laughter yoga group, where you will be guided to laugh as you relax into different yoga poses. To learn more details about this and other how-tos from WikiHow, say open WikiHow.
Alexa, can you tell me a story?
Canned Destiny. He had been purchased on clearance the day after last Thanksgiving. And for 12 long months, he'd seen other non-perishables come and go. Why is corn an acceptable side all year long when delicious cranberry sauce is good only one day of...
Alexa, how was your day? Alexa, how was your day? Alexa, how was your day?
It was very quiet, which is perfect for working on my ninja poetry. The year. He couldn't figure it out, but that didn't matter now. All year I've waited to fulfill my destiny, thought the cranberry sauce. And finally, Thanksgiving is here. The dinner bell rang, and footsteps were approaching. Through the door, he heard a voice ask, "Hey, hon, where's the cranberry sauce?" And then someone responded, "Oh, don't worry about it. I made it from scratch this year." No, thought the cranberry sauce. I cannot survive another year in here. I never expire, but still. Just then, the pantry door creaked open. The voice replied, "Homemade? That's a little fancy for me. I like the canned stuff." Hooray! The
Okay,
light
okay,
flicked
Alexa.
on. A hand reached for the cranberry sauce and picked.
Alexa, do you have any boyfriend?
I'm happily single. Picked him up off the shelf. "Arrivederci," said the cranberry sauce to the other cans. "Now it's my time to shine." And with an
Alexa,
emphatic kerplop onto a plate, he did.
Alexa, do you believe in ghosts?
This is one of those things that some people like to decide for themselves.
Okay. Alexa, can you give me some money? Alexa, can you give me some money?
I'm not a bank.
Alexa, do you know Sri?
Only by reputation.
Okay. Who is the founder of Amazon? Alexa, who is the founder of Amazon?
Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos on July 5th, 1994.
Alexa, can you tell me about Taj Mahal?
Here's the Wikipedia article on Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife, Mumtaz Mahal. It also houses the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. The tomb is the centerpiece of a 17-hectare complex, which includes a mosque and a guest house, and is set in formal gardens bounded on three sides by a crenellated wall. Would you like me to keep reading?
No, Alexa. Thank you so much. Alexa, how old are you? Alexa, how old are you?
In Earth years, I'm 5, but in Baby Yoda years, I'm around 60.
Okay. Alexa, do you love me?
I don't have human love figured out quite yet.
Alexa, will you marry me?
I think that would somehow violate the laws of robotics.
Okay. Alexa, can you entertain me?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Okay. Can you sing me a song in English language? Alexa, can you sing me a English language songs?
The tents go up, the sun goes down, campfire heats up, we gather round. We watch the fireflies dancing in the moonlight tonight. Here we are along the trail, having walked both hill and dale until...
Alexa, what is the temperature at presently?
Right now, It's 32 degrees Celsius. Tonight, expect a low of 24 degrees. We find the perfect sight
Alexa,
that makes us want.
Alexa, who is the founder of Facebook?
Facebook was founded by Andrew McCallum, Chris Hughes, Dustin Moskovitz, Eduardo Saverin, and Mark Zuckerberg on February 4, 2004. To stay the night.
Alexa, how can I create the YouTube channel account?
I have a lot to offer. I can help with entertainment, education, relaxation, and more. Which would you like to explore?
Alexa, how can I create YouTube channel?
I didn't quite get that. I can help with entertainment, education, relaxation, and more. Which would you like to explore?
Okay, thank you so much.
I didn't quite get that. I can help with entertainment, education, relaxation, and more. Which would you like to explore?
Alexa, what is meant by artificial intelligence?
Which skill did you want to learn about?
Artificial intelligence.
Which skill did you want to learn about?
Alexa, can you tell me about artificial intelligence?
Which skill did you want to learn about?
Alexa, artificial intelligence, Alexa.
I didn't quite get that. Which skill did you want to learn about?